If you want your readers to be able to subscribe to your content for free, then hurry up and enable the free subscription for your collection. To do so, open the needed collection and go to the Actions menu. Open the subscription settings from there and go to the Free Subscription tab. Here you will need to specify the following options. The frequency, that's how often your subscribers will receive new editions from you. Subscription pop-up settings. There are three options here. No, don't show it, which means you can hide the pop-up but leave the subscription option available in the viewer. Yes, show it option. You can show the pop-up but allow readers to exit the pop-up without subscribing to your content. Or whenever they want to subscribe, they can click the subscribe button from the viewer. And the third option requires the reader to subscribe before reading, which means that you will make the subscription mandatory. You can even enable the double opt-in confirmation email to make sure that people will enter valid email addresses. The subscription will not be enabled until the reader confirms his email address through a link which is sent to the entered email address inbox. Another important feature is the subscribe form fields customization. You can choose which fields you want the reader to fill in when subscribing and even make them mandatory. For example, I have chosen to request the following fields from the customers: the full name, phone number, country, and the zip code. The first three options are required, as you can see. After checking the needed checkboxes, you can even take the subscribe for embed code by clicking on it and embed it on your website. This means that your readers will be able to subscribe to your content directly from the website specific section. Once done, don't forget to click on the Save or Save and Close. To check how the publication will look like with the free subscription, open the publication in the incognito mode. As you can see, the subscription pop-up is activated. I can input all the fields and click Subscribe for Free button, or exit the pop-up by clicking the cross. It is also possible to subscribe to the publication by clicking the subscribe button.